Because I'm comfortable that I'm lazy.
Yeah, and you don't even try to hide the fact that you are.
Oh.
But you're not the typical lesbian who dresses like a guy. That's not a guy thing to wear.
This is a guy's shirt.
No, I can see my girlfriend
Wearing it.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend's sporty and stuff. So, like, that type of girl.
Yep.
Not like her type of girl. Okay, good. You're very feminine.
Oh my, no. So sporty.
It's not a bad thing.
Fucking jump rope.
Yeah, it's privilege. It's a preference.
It's not a bad thing.
Ano pangalan? Anong pangalan? Yung pangalan?
Ano?
Nangyari.
What
What else?
is funny? Yeah.
Punani is a bad word. Pangani? Pangani.
It's just who you are. It's good.
I don't want to say that. Hell that.
Oh my god.
Kumbaga, ano pang ako? Kung matanong mo siya. Ano pangani?
No, you.
What else? What else? What else? Ano pa nga ba? Ano pangani? Anong pangani? Ang cute ng salita.
You're not fat.
Ano pangani?
Or fatter.
Pangani. Pangani. Ni. Pangani. Pangani.
Punani.
Pangani.
Punani.
Pangani.
No one knows.
Pangani. No, I know. Moments, months. Attorney. Pakatama na kita siya.
Pero pala ka.
Mess of talking. Everyone.
Talaga.
I'm so excited.
What?
Oh, we're going to sleep. I was so excited.
You're excited to sleep, man?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's.
No, I can sleep, actually. I can't do it.
Feels like it's really, really long today.
I think we're sleeping around
5.
2, 5
I
a.m.
think 5.
I think 5 a.m. Then we wake up at 1. And the nomination and then we get ready for the live.
Yeah, because last night super late na day.
Yeah. Mga 5 a.m.
Long day from last night.
And
Sino
yeah,
papasok namin dito?
Sa tingin mo, sino kayo makakap nun sa apat na yun?
Later, papasok namin dito. Meron clock sa TV. 5 a.m.
you think
Tapos dumating pa kami
online, the people that watch are allowed to
Baka
use
hindi
the
yun
camera?
tama.
I think online, the people that watch are allowed to use the camera.
I don't know how it works.
What?
You think if people watch online, they're allowed to take the camera?
No, I think
They choose.
they have a controller. And then they'll choose. Sabi naman,
No, manunood ka sa online.
Yeah, online.
Hindi ko alam.
I think they switch from place to place.
Yeah.
Constantly.
Yeah. It's like surveillance. The other house.
What if your family only wants to watch TV?
Yeah, what if ganun?
They're gonna watch you like brushing your teeth.
Okay, I guess that would be boring. If they watched everyone, then
Yeah,
they'll get to
there's
know
more
everyone.
stories.
Yeah, true.
I really feel like we're in an aquarium.
Yeah. Just with a freaking huge light bulb who's constantly on.
Yeah. There's about the roof of the aquarium.
It's always on.
And it's all mirrors, like, you can't, a fish can't do anything in peace.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, the lid.
It's flat.
Yeah.
Ay, nakasiba.
Hello.
It's just,
Ano ba? Ito talaga, di ba?
you think?
Nakairi na?
You think? I don't know.
Kampanya na ako. Kaya ko nakampanya.
Bigyan mo na lang kay.
Bawal? Ang bawal? Kampanya.
Sabihin mo na